Hello, wood floor fans. Today we're gonna lay a classic parquet. Ash, right hand, left hand, they go together. We're gonna walk you through every step, and this we're gonna lay into this beautiful house. It has very nice wood elements outside, and we're gonna make very nice wood floor inside. Let's go and let's start. Okay, let's start the installation. The first line of this parquet is the most important. It has to be straight, and then the rest of the installation should be very easy. We're gonna put right hand, left hand, and we're gonna use masking tape that the pieces won't walk away. We're gonna follow the laser tip here, and we're gonna cut straight line here from the wall, follow the straight laser line, and you should be good to go. There can't be these kind of gaps here, then you will be in trouble later on with the installation. All nice and tidy and straight, and you should be fine. We always make an installation plan. If you have many rooms, the installation plan is important, that you don't have this afterwards, these little pieces, and whole picture of the floor will be much nicer. If you buy parquet from us, we can help you with the installation plan. This is a classic spot here, going to the transformation to the other room without a door blank. You end this line here, come back with small pieces here, then you crawl to the other room, and the first line on the other room is basically like the first line on the installation itself. It has to be straight. We'll go with this direction and then go back from there. Now I'm gonna show you how to make an end piece. Let's say you are finishing with this row here. Now, okay, my last full piece here. Now I need to come back and I can't install the full piece. Now I need to return here. Basically you need a tape, a pen, and a ruler for this. Now I'm gonna measure this side here. It's 50 mil. Now I'm gonna transfer it here, and take the other hand, and now I need to come back with this side measure inside. I need to measure this piece here. Most effective method to do this.